is a quick guide on how to set up your workshop in seconds and start taking seat reservations. Go to your storefront dashboard. Click Add Product. Select Workshop. Click Next. Add your class title. Click Generate with AI to auto-generate your class description. You can edit or add additional information to the description generated. Hit the toggle button to select the date and time. Note, this section is optional. Click Next. Upload your workshop image or design. Click Next. Select your preferred pricing model. We will be selecting Pay What You Want for the sake of this demo. Set the minimum price and suggested price for your class. You can also add more currency of your choice. Click Next. Help people discover your class. Choose the location that best suit your class. Add venue details for physical. Toggle on limited seats and state the number of seats available. Add class link for online. Click Next. Fill in additional details as it suits. You can also customize your button text. Click Next. Customize your purchase email. We have created a default template for you. You can insert shortcodes if needed. Click Next. Review every details earlier added. Ensure they are correct. Click Publish. Seamlessly done.